In this video, we will discuss about three primary types of masks: homemade cloth face mask, surgical mask, and N95 respirator. Before putting on mask, wash or sanitize your hands. Homemade cloth face mask is recommended in public settings where it is difficult to maintain 6 feet distance from others, such as grocery stores and pharmacies. Use cloth face mask rather than surgical mask or N95 respirator, as these critical supplies must be reserved for healthcare workers and other medical first responders. While removing, be careful not to touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Wash hands immediately after removing. Remember, wash homemade cloth mask at least once a day with soap and warm water. Scrub the mask for 20 seconds and dry it in sunlight. If you are reusing the homemade cloth mask, make sure it does not get mixed with masks of other family members. Keep the mask in a paper or plastic bag labeled with your name. Surgical mask. It is recommended in hospital settings where there is a risk of sprays, splashes, and large particle droplets. Position the dark colored side of the mask outward. Make sure the metallic strip is at the top of the mask and position against the bridge of the nose. Tie the strings behind your head. Mold the bendable metallic strip to the shape of your nose by pinching and pressing down with your fingers. Pull the bottom of the mask, covering your mouth and chin. Don't touch the mask once in position. If the mask gets soiled or damp, replace it with a new one. Hold it by the loops or ties. Carefully remove the mask with your face and discard it in a covered dustbin. After removing the mask, wash your hands thoroughly. N95 respirator. It is recommended in hospital settings where there is a high risk of close contact with patients with respiratory pathogens such as coronavirus and tuberculosis. CDC does not recommend use of N95 respirator outside of healthcare settings. Before putting on N95 respirator, wash or sanitize your hands. Hold the respirator in your hand and place it on your face, covering your nose and mouth. Take the upper strap and put it behind your head. Pull the bottom strap up and cover top of your head and put it behind your head below your ears. Mold the nosepin of the respirator over the bridge of the nose to obtain tight seal. Perform a fit test by blowing up air from your mouth and feeling it all around the mask with your fingers to ensure there is a good seal against the skin. While removing N95 respirator, remember, the mask is considered contaminated, therefore do not touch this part. The straps of the mask are considered clean, therefore touch only straps when removing the respirator. Perform hand hygiene. Thank you.